If you're after the safest and easiest way to load your dirt bike, lawnmower, go-kart or more, you need to grab a set of Sca loading ramps. But which ones should you choose? And how are they best used safely? Watch this video to find out. Sca loading ramps are available in 4 different styles. The 2 steel ramps are simple and functional. The lighter of the 2 are zinc coated and capable of supporting 400 kilos per pair, while the heavier duty set are powder coated black and able to withstand 270 kilos per ramp or 540 kilos per pair. Both models are 1830 millimeters long and 230 millimeters wide. These sets are perfect for everyday equipment where size and weight of the ramps is not an issue. If size and weight is a factor in your decision, perhaps a folding aluminium model will better suit your needs. The single folding aluminium ramp boasts a load capacity of 220 kilos and is great for loading dirt bikes, while the twin folding ramps can support 400 kilos per pair. The single ramp is the shortest of them all at 1795 millimeters, while the twin ramps are the longest at 2170 millimeters. A set of Sca steel loading ramps will require some minor assembly. This is a simple case of attaching the end support to each ramp using the parts supplied. Sca aluminium ramps need only be unfolded and they're ready to go. Any loading operation should be performed on as flat a surface as possible. Make certain that the vehicle and/or trailer being loaded is switched off, with the transmission in gear or park and the handbrake on. Now, place the end plates or hooks at the end of your ramps against the edge of the trailer or ute, ensuring that you space each ramp the correct width for the equipment being loaded. Every set of ramps comes with a strap to secure them. To ensure the task is as safe as possible, these must be attached to the middle of each ramp and secured to a point on the trailer or vehicle, such as the tow bar. Now that it's time to load the equipment, gather up some help, at least one other person, or a team if the item being moved is heavy or awkward. Apply any park brakes and secure the item once it's aboard the trailer or ute before packing away your ramps. Save the planks of wood for around the house and grab yourself a set of Sca loading ramps to keep your gear and yourself free from damage.